Marie cooking. Hello all, this is my first time cooking burgers. Let's see what happens. For the buns we will need to warm milk 200 milliliters. We add salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, dry yeast 1 teaspoon. Then we will need 1 egg white. The yolk we will use later for greasing the buns before baking. Now mix everything thoroughly. Add butter, 30 grams. Continue to mixing. And part by part, add flour, 350 grams. So from this amount of dough we will have 4 buns. That means 4 burgers. Continue to knead the dough. Cover the dough and leave for 1 hour in warm place. Now it's time for meat part. You will need minced meat, 500 grams, salt, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Form 4 cutlets. On the frying pan, add a little bit of oil. Fry the cutlets. I took pork for the cutlets, but you can choose any meat that you like. 2 minutes before readiness, put the cheese on the cutlets so that it melts. Now let's cook sauce. It's really easy to cook. You need to cut 1 pickled cucumber. Add mayonnaise, 80 grams, ketchup, 40 grams, grain mustard, 30 grams, sugar, 5 grams, and blend everything. The sauce is ready. Take the baking form and oil the parchment. After 1 hour, the dough will increase into 3 times. Add a bit of flour in it. Divide the dough into 4 parts. Then form the buns. Place them on the parchment and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, grease the buns with the yolk and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20-25 minutes. For assembling the burgers, cut 1 pickled cucumber, 1/3 part of the white onion, 1 tomato, and prepare leaf salad. Now we are on the finish line. Cut the bun. Pour the sauce over 1 part of the bun. Put leaf salad. Then put tomato, cutlet with cheese, onion rings, pickled cucumber. Again pour a bit of sauce and cover by another half of the bun. The burger is ready. There are my first cooked burgers. I think they are perfect. If you want to watch more recipes, subscribe to my channel and push the like button. Bon appetit!